Hey guys, in this video, we are going to show you how to hide followers on TikTok. Sometimes you may want to hide your followers on TikTok to keep your account more private and control who can see your activity. When your account is private, only people you approve as followers can see your posts, videos, and followers list. This helps prevent strangers from viewing your content, keeps your interactions more secure, and gives you better control over your privacy. Making your account private also limits who can comment on or interact with your videos, ensuring that only trusted followers can engage. Here's how you can do it on your mobile device. First, open the TikTok application on your mobile device and make sure you are logged into your account. Now tap on the profile icon from the bottom right corner to open your profile page. Then tap on the three lines at the top right corner to open the menu. Here, tap on Settings and Privacy to access all your account options. Now tap on Privacy. Here, turn on the toggle for Private Account. Once your account is private, only people you approve can follow you, see your followers, and view your content. This helps keep your TikTok activity more secure and controlled. After that, you can continue using TikTok normally, knowing that your followers and content are hidden from anyone who isn't approved. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you got some value. See you at the next one.